Alrighty, there isn't much going on today at all. We're looking at the scanners, looking at TYHT. Damn, it has been a slow market. There's a double bottom so far at 634. We do have descending resistance as well. We're thinking there is decrease in volume. However, if it possibly breaks above this 660 area, which is the previous pivot, lower low pivot, it'll potentially make a reversal. Not only that, but based off of you notice here, double bottom right underneath the VWAP, and it consolidated at the VWAP. If it manages to bounce off VWAP, break that lower high, and an increase of volume comes in, then we can potentially have a trade. So many factors involved, isn't there? And it's a freaking slow market. Not much we can do about that. And it looks like it's actually sinking down towards the double bottom support. It's a large ask at 644. We'll see if it even manages to hold the support area. Well, that's the game plan for this one. Meanwhile, we will go ahead and scan other stocks. Like I said earlier, it's a slow market, and see what we can find. Okay, there we go. There's some increase in volume coming in. We notice that on the 5-minute, there are topping tail candles there forming a resistance, descending resistance. Also on the 15-minute, you can see clearly topping tail at the high of day, topping tail at the second and third and fourth, all topping tails. So in order for this to convince us that there is indeed more and more buying conviction in the stock itself, we'll have to break 660. And I don't know what's going on with this. There we go, should behave there. Good to see there's a large increase in volume there. Exaggerated large increase in volume. Go ahead, throw out our order there, 660. Boom, boom, boom. Just got filled. Our target is at $7. Small position size. There's plenty of green coming in there. Definitely taking a small position since we haven't traded in a while. Gotta build up our confidence once again. Okay, this thing's acting funky. The spread is literally 12 cents. That spread. Horizontal spread, vertical spread is 13 cents on the bid, 3 cents on the ask so far. That's been kind of funny, isn't it? Our take profit is near this pivot there, but definitely underneath the high of day. Our stop loss definitely underneath the VWAP. case something goes south. Preferably it would have been better to be underneath this 634, although we got in based on the break of a previous lower high pivot there. Change of a trend, you can see downtrend and then boop, more like an uptrend here. You want to see if it continues with that trajectory. You can see an increase in volume here, although the spread is kind of funky. It's very widespread. 9-cent spread at the moment. So far it looks like the ask is flat while the bids are pretty pumped up, although most of the bids are kind of far down. It looks like here's 626, 620. The 5-minute, the previous 5-minute candle, the one that broke above this area resistance, has a topping tail with a high of 674. I want to see if we could manage to break that 674 now. And pretty similar story on the 15-minute chart as well. The daily looks incredible. So does the 4-hour. Okay, there's a lot of buyers coming in right here. There's that 674. See the time and sales there, lots of green, although I want to see more of it come in. Another increase of volume there. Little volume spikes. As long as they're enough, we can potentially reach our target. 689 looks like a next wall up there. Go ahead and draw their horizontal line. 689 is a wall. Oof, back down to 661. That's what happens when both the vertical and the horizontal spread are very wide. It could drop or rise really quickly. Now it looks like this 660, after it broke out of that area resistance, it became a support area, you can see there. Now it's testing 689. There's that wall. We're trying to break it. Want to see it decrease here. 3,900 shares. I'm trying to stab at it. 7 is the next wall, although our sell order is there as a limit. Sell limit order. There it goes, testing that wall, 689 again. Good to see an increase in volume. Very funky price action, isn't it? Oof, there you go. What a squeeze. That was beautiful. This thing literally went up 30 cents. From 681 to 711. Cool, we'll take it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and upload this because I do have to go get ready. It was great that the first actual trade taken after literally an entire week of slow poke market action. Like, it's been, you guys know, it's been kind of dead for the low float small cap stocks. Literally, it's been, so it's good to know that staying patient, keep our money in our pockets where it should be, right? And then once we see an opportunity, yeah, just use a little bit of that. It's been a while since we traded, so just use a little bit, dip your toes in first, and then take it from there. Then just don't be attached to the money or the P&L. Be attached to learning and stuff like that. So catch you all on the next one, and be safe out there, folks. Love y'all. Bye.